How do you fit in the Edu protocols? I just restructured a whole unit. You want to see it? Here's what we'll be doing in my English class. Looks like a mess, right? Let's check it out. To dust off our paragraph structure review, we're going to be looking at the emoji power paragraph and the nacho paragraph. That's going to shift us into argument. Check it out. We're going to be doing 8 parts. We're going to be doing nacho paragraph in Socrative, and we'll be presenting with thin slides. Then we're going to be doing full outlines of persuasive structured essays with claims and evidence, counterclaims, and how are we going to do that? Something called We the People. But we're not going to write whole essays. We're only going to do the outlines. We're going to beef up our claims by looking at an introduction to classical logic, standard form, truth condition, all of that. We're going to use an Iron Chef and some Fast and the Curious. To work on evidence, we're going to be playing Super Fights, which is a card game, and then we're going to be presenting with thin slides. Always got to have grammar, right? I'm going to be looking at parallel structure. We're going to recognize and craft it with 8 parts and Socrative. You can see my green arrows. That infuses all over the place. What's a good argument without fallacies? We're going to be using the Fast and the Curious, Thin Slide Study Guide, Iron Chef, and Cyber Sandwich to learn 44 informal fallacies. We're going to start with Iron Chef, checking out what are fallacies, examples, and real worlds. We're going to be using a comic, a GIF, and a video clip as our secret ingredient. The summative assessment, this is what it's going to be. Once you start leveraging time with Edu protocols, you can do an amazing amount of stuff, and they actually like it. This may sound like a lot, but remember, I used the whole first semester to teach them all of these Edu protocols, except one. They're going to be learning a new one called Claim Jumper, but I haven't released that one yet. I'll probably unveil that at some of the conferences I'm presenting at this spring. So if you're interested, do the thing. I'll be putting a tutorial up sometime.